welcome back to Lina's Pretend Play.
In this video,
We're gonna talk about
how to play whole notes.
Music adventure, piano learning, part 11.
11.
Let's go
Two
started.
ones.
So as we know this is a 3 for the music notes.
Yeah, so it's a whole note. Then if you did not see the other video, it's part 10. It's the half notes, and then if you did not see part 9, that was the quarter notes.
Yeah.
It goes a whole note goes 4 beats. But if you split up those 4 beats, that equals 2 and 2, right? 2 plus 2 equals 4, that's right. But 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 4. So then it's like that's all the quarter notes.
Yeah, so basically those are the notes, half note, full note, half note and quarter note.
Yeah, but what we're focusing on is the whole note.
Whole notes, which is this one.
And that there is a Codely method.
Yeah, so Codely method playing whole note. How he used whole note? Codely.
He used it. So he would say it like ta, ah.
Yeah, so ta.
So it's repeating 3 times.
So it seems like 4 beats.
No, 3.
4. Ta, ah.
Oh yeah.
Ah. So 4 beats, right? So he vocalized as ta, which extends sounds over 4 beats.
Yeah.
It's interesting how he get this notes.
Yeah. I don't even think he's alive anymore.
Okay. So whole note is counted as 1, 2, 3, 4 with each whole notes occupying 4 beats. So let's practice more with Codely method. So how we can do one whole note.
So 1 whole note.
Using your clapping hands.
Yeah. So set go ta
Say it louder.
Yeah, it's just quiet, that's why. So I'm just gonna do it one more time. So this is 1 there. Set go ta
Nice. So 2 whole notes.
Set go ta Set go ta
Did you guys notice how she's using her hands? Yeah, crisscross.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did 2
that.
whole notes. Now 3 whole notes.
Set go ta Set go ta Set go ta It's long.
Now 4 whole notes. We
So
are doing
what?
that because more you practice, it will go in your brain, right? And your brain gonna memorize that.
In your brain pockets.
In your brain pockets. Exactly.
I learned that in grade 3.
Yeah.
At the start of the year. You have brain pockets. You keep them in your pockets.
So keep it in your brain pockets now 4 times. Whole notes.
It says just
By
3.
Codely method. Yeah.
Set
go.
ta Set go ta
Set
Set
go.
go ta
Okay.
Oh,
One more.
Set go ta
So we demonstrate how to use that Codely method with the clapping hands. Now let's try it in piano.
Piano.
You ready?
Yep.
So you use middle.
C.
Put the whole note. Go ahead.
Set go ta Set go ta Set go just once.
Set go.
Ta
Yeah, this is only one time.
It just fades away.
So now the 2 whole notes.
Set go ta Set go ta It's so quiet.
Yeah, I notice how you keep pressing the notes until you finish your sounds. Set go ta So you keep on pressing it until your ta is
Yeah, I did that.
Yeah, you did that. Now let's practice 3 whole notes.
Sekota Sekota Sekota
Nice.
Now 4.
4. Do we have it?
Sekota Sekota
Sekota.
Sekota I think I'm mistakenly doing it 4 times. I'm not
That's
sure.
So there you go. So we completed the whole
Yeah, we're doing it 4
whole
times.
note
It's
for
okay.
bicolli method. So what is the key, Lina?
Consistency is key. Even 15 to 20 minutes a day can make a big difference.
It is.
Keep a
So,
diary
Make a diary.
to track progress and practice sessions.
So keep practicing. So see you guys next time.
Bye.
Take care.